Hello, my name is Justin McCarthy. I'm a lawyer in Massachusetts, and in this video I'm going to talk about closing costs. If you're buying a home in Massachusetts, especially if you're getting a bank loan to help you buy the house, you're going to have to pay for a number of services and state fees. And what's going to happen is on the day of the closing, all the money needed for the transaction is going to go into the buyer's attorney's escrow account. The buyer's attorney is the settlement agent, and he acts on behalf of both you, the borrower, and for the bank. So the bank will put the loan into the lawyer's account. If additional money is necessary, you, the borrower, will have to bring it and give it to the lawyer. And then from the lawyer's escrow account, the lawyer will write checks to everybody who's going to get paid as a result of the closing. So the fees and the closing costs can vary widely, but generally you're going to spend at least $3,000 to maybe $5,000 in closing costs. You're going to have to pay the bank for setting up the loan for you. It's called an origination fee, and typically the origination fee is around $1,000, and it'll increase if you're paying for points to reduce your interest rate, or if you're using a broker. The broker can increase the amount you have to pay for the origination costs. All right, so you're going to pay $1,000 to the bank. You're going to have to buy a year's worth of homeowners insurance, and typically that's around $1,000. You're going to have to escrow money in order to pay future real estate taxes and future homeowners insurance. Okay, because the bank will start paying those charges on your behalf as you go forward, but the bank wants you to set aside some money initially for the bank to use to make those payments. All right, so typically it's 2 to 3 months worth of homeowners insurance and 2 to 3 months worth of real estate taxes. Then you're going to have to pay the attorney. Most attorneys charge between $500 up to maybe $1,000, which would be in the higher range, right? But typically around $700, $500 to $700. You're going to have to pay for something called a municipal lien certificate, which comes from the city or the town that you're buying in, and it shows what's owed for taxes, if there's any violations, code violations that need to be paid or anything like that. And those are either $25 to $50. You're going to have to purchase title insurance, and the title insurance is based on the value of the property. And typically it's around $3.25 to $3.50 per thousand based on the property's value. You're going to have to pay for a survey to make sure that there's no boundary issues with the property, and the survey is between $175 to maybe $250. And then you're going to have to pay to record all of the documents. Right? So you have to pay to record the municipal lien certificate, and that's $65. The deed is $125 to record, and the mortgage is $175 to record. All right? So recording costs are around $365, and maybe a little bit more if additional documentation needs to be recorded. All right? So a ballpark figure is somewhere between $3,000 to $5,000, and again, all of this money, including the money necessary to buy the home, goes into the lawyer's account, and the lawyer writes checks to everybody from there. Okay? If you're buying a home, if you have any questions, please send me an email, give me a phone call. I'd be happy to help you out with your closing. Thank you.